Sheikh Azhar as a chairman of this company, which is Warisan. So, our first agenda is I would like to introduce or expose to you guys about the organization of this company, and then after everyone here already noticed about the organization, next we will talk about our main product, which is premix kuih lapis powder that will be conducted by the food department. After that, we will discuss about costumes and props for each members. This will be conducted by logistic department, and logistic department also have to discuss about decoration booths on the event on the 3rd November. Okay, and after all the things has been discussed, and I will go through members by members to know about the rising issues that we face on. Okay. Welcome, Chu. Okay, I hope everybody take note about what I'm going to talk about. Okay, for the first one, I would like to introduce our organization, our company named Warisan, and me, Ahmed Syahir, as a chairman or the project manager on this company, and the next one is our secretary, which is Afifah Repin, and treasurer Zara and Lisa, and we have 4 departments, which is logistic, food and drink, activities and multimedia. Logistic belong to Irham and Shu, while food and drink department belong to Lisha and Cynthia. For activities department belong to Mr. Anip and Achong or Lukman. Okay. For multimedia belong to Mr. Afiq and Miss Aina. Okay, everybody clear?
Yes.
Okay. As you guys noticed earlier, on the 3rd November we gonna have event which is regard to the culture, Baba Nyonya culture. So on the event we will expose or publicize our main product, which is premix kuih lapis powder, because premix, everyone doesn't have enough time to cook or to make the kuih lapis itself. So I would like to pass this second agenda to our food and drink department. Lisa, thank you. Cynthia, I'm sorry.
So I will start first. My name is Cynthia Jane. I'm from Product and Food Development. So for this event, we are planning on to sell kuih lapis from our product, which is kuih lapis premix. So to prepare this product, we have to use lab in order to produce our premix. So to use the lab, we have to prepare a JSA, which is job safety assessment, to use the lab. And the JSA have to be approved by NC as Fanor and lab technician. The lab that we will use to produce our premix is lab processing and lab packaging. So we haven't decided yet on what time we will use the lab to produce our products. I want to know from you guys what date will we What that will you guys suggest for us to make our product, to make it happen? I mean to produce the product. Okay, and that's all from me, and that's all. And next will be continued by my friend Lisa.
Hi, my name is Nur Alisha, and I'm from Food Development Department. So today I will describe more about the product that we wanted to produce, which is our premix kelapis. And as Cynthia says, just now, we are going to decide when and where when are we going to make our premix. So I would like to have your decision after this session. So and then for doing our premix, there are some ingredients that we are going to use, and there are some technologies that we are going to implement regarding our premix itself. So from what the food department has decided, we are going to use technology which is a machine named spray dryer. Okay, so spray dryer is a machine that can, for your information, spray dryer is a machine that can convert liquid into a dry product, into a powder. So we are going to produce a premix, or our premix is in a powder form, so it can ease the customer to make the kuih lapis itself. So what are we going to try is the coconut milk, fresh coconut milk. So we are going to dry the liquid and produce it to powder, and we are going to mix with the other ingredients in order to make our premix. So that is the plan that have been decided by the food development, and I would like you all to add or any objective that any procedures that you want to add. So we are glad to hear. So basically, that is our plan for now. Next, I would like to let you guys know a little bit about the ingredients. So the ingredients are so simple. There are rice flour, cornstarch, a little bit of wheat flour, and lastly is our coconut milk powder that we had dried. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lisha and Cynthia. Food department, I would like you guys to more clarify about what you guys need, our suggestion for about what. I'm not very clear actually. Can you guys explain more?
We like to you guys to suggest what date for us to use the lab to produce our products.
So you mean the date? Okay, and then I think it's one more question from you guys.
Okay, basically the date itself has to be decided earlier, and also what else you guys want to add, or what are your suggestions to make our innovation to add for our premix. So
You mean to make our premix become more interesting?
yeah, more interesting, make it so that our sales will become higher.
Okay, thank you from Lisha and Cynthia. So any of you guys can suggest what the date, or actually the duration itself to take in order to produce a premix powder? For me itself, I think we should we should manufacture this premix, I think maybe 1 month before the event, because in order to produce the powder, we need to test itself, or in order to ensure our product is free to use and is good to use. Okay, this is that for me. Anyone for you guys? Suggestion? Okay. Or you agree with me?
Actually, I want to know how long the process to produce our product, to use the lab.
Okay, so before we plan to do the premix, we have met some of the food lecturers who is Dr. Sharul, and we asked about the product that we are going to produce, and he said that the process we going to take is not more than a week. But of course, to produce some food products, we are going to test it. We are going to test the shelf life. We are going to test how it works, and we are going to test how it tastes. So it might take for about 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay. So now we just want to know the exact date that you are agreed to proceed our premix.
Okay, thank you. And I have one question for you guys. How many grams per each package for the premix powder?
As for this, as for our product, we suggest it around 50 grams, 500 grams.
Okay, so, anyone want to add on or to clarify anything what they explained? Okay. Now we move on to the second agenda, which is third. I'm sorry. Our third agenda is discussion about costumes, props for each members, and the decoration booth. I think logistic cover for 2 agenda. Okay, so I would like to pass this agenda to our logistic member.
Has been introduced by our chairperson, me, Ilham Shami, and my partner, Shud, are from the logistics department. Okay, first of all, I would like to talk about our scope of work. We are the person in charge of providing goods, items which are requested from other company, from other department. For providing goods for our booth. And we also are the person in charge to decoration for our booth. Okay, next, I would like to talk about props for our booth. We did some survey around Melaka on Babanyanya sculpture, where we found many items and comes in different prices. And most of the items we found is at Joker Walk, where we obtain with such a cheapest price.